Hello friends, Main here, and today we are going to talk about EC2. Last video we also talked about EC2, how to create a EC2, but today will be a connect one EC2 we already created in last video. Let's go to connect and use some few commands, then you will be understand everything about the EC2 and what is the important. Let's go to start this video. So guys, after login, similar phrase you can be seen in your computer. If you look different, just go to the service in here, then click the EC2. Once you click the EC2, this is the EC2 dashboard. Here you will be see instance running 1. Okay, just click this instance, which one is running right now. Just click the instance running now. Yes, here is one instance is currently running now. We know how to create the instance. My last video I told about how to create a instance in EC2. Okay, so if you don't know how to create an instance, please check my last video. Okay, so here is just click the check in here. Okay, just check, and here is the action. Okay, click the action, and here is the option to connect. Just click the connect. Once you click the connect, the same page you can be now in your computer also. Just in the bottom you can be see here is the option is connect. Again click the connect. Now it's connect. Now you are write here command. I am going to write in here who am I, and click the enter. Once you click the enter, it's coming EC2 user. Then second, I am going to write some software is used in here, that is Python. Okay, I am going to write Python space version. Just enter. It's showing the Python 2.7.18 version is installed in this system. Okay, so guys, next video will be talk about how to create a page, a hello world page, index page.